In this brief tutorial, we'll discuss the process of using an EBT card to make purchases on Amazon. The procedure is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google search engine. Once there, search for Amazon and click on the official website link. Now that you're on Amazon's website, you can browse and select any products you wish to purchase. After adding your desired items to your cart, proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you'll have the option to add a payment method. Click on the option to add a credit or debit card. Here, you can enter your EBT card details. If your card is accepted, you'll be able to complete the transaction. However, it's important to note that EBT payment availability may vary depending on your region. If your EBT card is not accepted or cannot be added, it indicates that EBT payment may not be supported in your area. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful in using your EBT card for Amazon purchases.